This is the letter A. Say it with me. A. A is for apple, ant, and arrow. A is for apple. Apple starts with the letter A. Can you say apple? A is for ant. Ant starts with the letter A. Can you say ant? A is for arrow. Arrow starts with the letter A. Can you say arrow? Amazing job. You learned the letter A today. A is for apple, ant, and arrow. You are so smart. Keep practicing and see you next time.
If you love this story, tap the like button and subscribe for a brand new story every single day. Bye-bye.
This is the letter B. Say it with me. B. B is for ball, bear, and boat. B is for ball. Ball starts with the letter B. Can you say ball? B is for bear. Bear starts with the letter B. Can you say bear? B is for boat. Boat starts with the letter B. Can you say boat? Amazing job. You learned the letter B today. B is for ball, bear, and boat. You are so smart. Keep practicing and see you next time.
Subscribe to Moonbeam channel for more amazing stories. Bye-bye.
This is the letter C. Say it with me. C is for cat, cake, and car. C is for cat. Cat starts with the letter C. Can you say cat? C is for cake. Cake starts with the letter C. Can you say cake? C is for car. Car starts with the letter C. Can you say car? Amazing job. You learned the letter C today. C is for cat, cake, and car. You are so smart. Keep practicing and see you next time.
Subscribe to Moonbeam channel for more amazing stories. Bye-bye.
This is the letter D. Say it with me. D. D is for dog, duck, and door. D is for dog. Dog starts with the letter D. Can you say dog? D is for duck. Duck starts with the letter D. Can you say duck? D is for door. Door starts with the letter D. Can you say door? Amazing job. You learned the letter D today. D is for dog, duck, and door. You are so smart. Keep practicing and see you next time.
Subscribe to Moonbeam channel for more amazing stories. Bye-bye.
This is the letter E. Say it with me. E. E is for egg, elephant, and earth. E is for egg. Egg starts with the letter E. Can you say egg? E is for elephant. Elephant starts with the letter E. Can you say elephant? E is for earth. Earth starts with the letter E. Can you say earth? Amazing job. You learned the letter E today. E is for egg, elephant, and earth. You are so smart. Keep practicing and see you next time.
Subscribe to Moonbeam channel for more amazing stories. Bye-bye.
This is the letter F. Say it with me. F is for fish, frog, and flower. F is for fish. Fish starts with the letter F. Can you say fish? F is for frog. Frog starts with the letter F. Can you say frog? F is for flower. Flower starts with the letter F. Can you say flower? Amazing job. You learned the letter F today. F is for fish, frog, and flower. You are so smart. Keep practicing and see you next time.
Subscribe to Moonbeam channel for more amazing stories. Bye-bye.